So I'm back, and today we're gonna do a little more work. So the last video I poured all the concrete for the extension. So today I'm gonna start putting down the first stones. So let's have a look at that. Oh, that's easy to see. Let's go over here. Not better. Well, anyways, so I just started setting up the string so I know the height where this big stone needs to be. And the string is going all the way down there, making a 90 degree and going out here. So now I'm gonna mix some concrete to put under the stone so it comes up in the right level. So that's my plan for today. Starting putting down the rows of stone this way, and let's see how it goes. If it goes good, I will go the other way too with some stones. So now I'm gonna start mixing some concrete, and yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so the camera ran out of battery, and I didn't hear it, so I didn't film everything. But I got the first corner put down, but I ran out of sand, so I need to pick some up. But the first corner is ready, and I just have to do the rest. I just finished putting the rest of these stones all the way up here, making the corner. Now I just need to put down 1.5 more stone in here and over here, but I'm gonna wait with this part because I need to do some more work to all of this wall. So I need to tie all of this together somehow. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do that yet, but I'll find out when I get to that part. So what I need to do right now is make the hole in this wall for the door. So let's go inside and see. Oh yeah, and I just got this piece of crap out of storage. Took it for a ride yesterday. Still runs good, but that's not important. So for this wall I need to take out some of the bricks. I've just put the laser to see how high my door is gonna be. So I'm gonna take 2 rows out, then I can put in a lintel and then make the hole for the new door. So that's what I'm gonna do the next couple of days, just remove stones. So that's gonna be fun.
Hate it when my doubts and my fears swell up like the ocean. It feels like I could drown in my tears. Everything's overflowing. Scared that I won't get it right, get it right. My nerves are working overtime, overtime. Tell myself to calm down and breathe. Step out of the shadows, into the fire. Don't be afraid to go out on a wire. Live in the moment, turn it louder. This is what you're made for. You just gotta be fearless. You just gotta be fearless.
Okay, so the hole up here is ready. So that's nice. So now it's time to put in the lintel. So that's gonna be easy, I think. And easy. So now the lintel is up. Now I just need to put it up. I have the lace. I have a lace line right here, so I need to raise this a little bit. That's what I'm gonna do now, and then I can start putting in some mortar, so it's gonna stay there. So because this is an old house, you can see it here, the bricks are laid beside each other. So I'm gonna put one lintel on the inside. I'm gonna put one on the outside too. I'm gonna concentrate on finishing this part. And yeah, we'll see how the weather is, if I can do the outside part in a couple of days. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and I just moved these 3 supports in here instead of outside. So now I need to put the other lintel in, but I need to do that from the outside, so that's nice. And it's easy because I'm alone today. So let's go outside and take a look how we're gonna put this in. Okay, so right now I just need to lift out the next lintel and put it in here. Yeah, how hard can it be? I'll just pick it up and see how it goes. So, that was easy. Okay, we're gonna mix some mortar and fill all this up. Okay, so I think you get the point of what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna set off the camera and fill all this. Yeah, it's not that fun to watch. I put in all the mortar Now it's just gonna let it dry for the next couple of days. So the reason I haven't filled this part here is because I need to change some of the stones up here. They are, some of these are cracked, so I need to replace them. And the same for the side over here. So it's a little easier to see in here. But I need to put a new stone here. I need to replace this because it's cracked here. This one is cracked. This one is cracked. So all those need to be replaced. So that's gonna be fun. And it's the same here. Need to replace this. And I think I need to replace this. So that's also gonna be fun. So now I'm just gonna wait for this to dry. And in the meantime, I'm gonna go have some vacation. I think I need it. So I'll be back in, I don't know, 2-3 weeks. And I'll continue on this. So thank you for watching and see you.